How to top up GiffGaff. So first of all, you want to go on giffgaff.com, whether you're on your phone or whether you're on a regular computer, whether it's MacBook laptop or Windows PC computer. Type in giffgaff.com, sign into your account, then you're going to get to a place like this. If you're not creating an account already, that's one thing you'll have to do as well. But once you're logged in, you'll be sent to this page. You can scroll down on it, but you want to click on buy a plan. That's going to be the one. Even if you don't want to actually buy a plan, you want to do like a pay as you go, it's still within this section here. So here are all the options. So just go ahead and press on whichever one you actually want. So for me, it's going to be this 1 GB £6 one that I'm going to get here. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to scroll down. It's going to have your card details in there if you've already put them in already. If not, you'll have to add your card details or whatever your payment method is within there. But like I said, click on the one that you want. So for me, it's this one. Click continue. Then it's going to tell you all the plan details, etc. within there. But just continue on through that once you've got the one that you want. And then afterwards, it's going to kind of tell you a few different details after you click continue. And then you're going to want to go and potentially put in your card details if you haven't already. But at the bottom down here, you will eventually see a part where it says pay now. After you click the I understand and agree, click on the pay now. And then if your card details are entered correctly, it should be all done, and then your new plan will kick in shortly. So please leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.